What if one simple upgrade could completely transform your Camry's rear look? Today, we're revealing 7 LED tail lights with sequential turn signals for Toyota Camry 2018 to 2023, featuring eye-catching designs, modern lighting, and practical upgrades. Welcome back to the channel. Stay with us to find your ideal option, and check the links in the description if you'd like to buy one. One lighting upgrade can completely change how a familiar Camry feels after sunset. The new tail lights for Toyota Camry 2018 to 2023 bring a sharper, more modern personality to the 8th Gen sedan. Designed for SE, XSE, LA, XLE, and TRD models, this V3 smoke-style rear light assembly combines LED illumination with sequential turn signals and a striking startup animation. Here's the real issue: aging or damaged factory taillights can make an otherwise clean Camry look dated, and replacements often feel purely functional. These lights add visual character while restoring rear lighting performance. The smoked housing gives the rear end a sportier appearance, while the LED layout creates a crisp nighttime signature. They're especially appealing to owners building a more customized look without changing the car itself. Compared with standard OEM-style replacement taillights, these offer more visual flair and animation. However, buyers should verify exact fitment and installation requirements before ordering. They're a strong choice for Camry owners who want Toyota Camry LED taillights, sequential indicators, and a custom rear light upgrade in one package. Sometimes, the right glow is all it takes to make your Camry feel new again. One lighting upgrade can completely change how a familiar Camry feels after dark. The Ingenuity Time LED tail lights are designed for Toyota Camry models from 2018 through 2023, bringing a sharper, more modern appearance to the 8th generation rear end. Here's the real problem: aging factory lamps can look dated, while cheaper aftermarket assemblies may sacrifice fit, brightness, or visual appeal. This setup tackles that gap with startup animation, DRL illumination, brake lighting, and turn signal functions built into one rear lamp assembly. The black housing adds a sportier character, while the LED design makes the Camry more noticeable in traffic. Compared with basic replacement tail lamps, the animated startup sequence gives this option a more distinctive personality. It's a strong choice for owners wanting a modern refresh without changing the car's overall identity. The downside? Installation may require extra attention to fitment and wiring, so compatibility should be verified before ordering. If your 2018 to 2023 Camry deserves a fresher rear view, these taillights could make every evening drive feel newly transformed. A damaged taillight can make a beautiful Camry look surprisingly tired, and it can become a safety concern after dark. For 2018 to 2023 Toyota Camry owners, this LED tail light assembly is designed for the 8th generation SE, LA, XSE, XLE, and TRD, including driver and passenger side rear lamps with tailgate lighting. The problem? Cracked housings, faded lenses, or malfunctioning rear lights can reduce visibility and spoil the car's clean appearance. Replacing only a damaged section can also leave mismatched lighting. The solution? This red LED assembly offers a coordinated replacement with a modern appearance and coverage across multiple Camry trims. It's especially appealing when you want a factory-style look without changing the character of the vehicle. Who should buy it? It suits owners repairing accident damage, upgrading worn lighting, or replacing aging Toyota Camry tail light assemblies. Compared with cheaper universal aftermarket lamps, this dedicated 8th Gen Camry design offers a more tailored fit. The downside? Installation may require patience and careful compatibility checking. Sometimes, one fresh set of rear lights is enough to make an aging Camry feel renewed again. One lighting upgrade can completely change how a familiar Camry feels after dark. For owners of the Toyota Camry 2018 to 2023 8th Gen, tired or outdated rear lamps can make an otherwise sharp sedan look ordinary. The Ingenuity Time LED tail lights tackle that with a dramatic startup animation, smoked housing, DRL illumination, brake lighting, and turn signals in one complete assembly. The standout moment is the animated startup sequence. It gives the rear of your Camry a modern signature before you even pull away. Meanwhile, the bright LED functions improve visibility and create a cleaner, more distinctive appearance. Compared with standard OEM-style Toyota Camry tail light assemblies, this option brings considerably more visual personality. The trade-off? The smoke styling may not appeal to drivers who prefer a completely factory appearance, and installation should be handled carefully for proper fit and wiring. This upgrade makes sense for Camry owners wanting refreshed styling without changing the car's identity. If you want your 8th generation Camry to look noticeably newer from behind, these tail lights deliver that transformation with every nighttime drive. A dull rear end can make a sharp Camry look surprisingly ordinary, but the right taillights can completely change that impression. Design: this LED tail lights assembly is built for 8th General Toyota Camry models from 2018 to 2022, including LA, SE, TRD, XSE, and XLE. The smoked lens gives the rear a darker, sportier character, while the red lamp panel keeps the lighting visually distinctive. Lighting: the animated DRL and sequential indicator create a flowing turn signal effect that feels far more modern than conventional rear lamps. It's an appealing upgrade for drivers searching for tail lights for Toyota Camry Tail Light Assembly 2018 to 2023 8th Gen. Real-world advantage: factory lights can eventually feel dated, especially beside newer vehicles. This setup adds visual impact without changing the Camry's overall identity. Who should buy? Ideal for owners wanting a more aggressive appearance and modern lighting signature. Downside: smoked lenses may not suit drivers who prefer an original factory look, and installation compatibility should be verified before ordering. Compared with standard replacement lamps, these emphasize styling and animation rather than simple restoration. Sometimes, one change at the back is enough to make your Camry feel new again. One lighting upgrade can completely change the personality of a Camry. The TTABC Mods tail lights bring a striking Lambert-style appearance to the Toyota Camry 8th Gen, covering 2018 to 2024 models with a full LED rear lamp assembly. First impression: the design immediately feels more modern. The LED lighting signature gives the rear end a sharper, sportier presence, especially after sunset. Instead of replacing only a bulb or individual section, you're getting a complete tail light assembly designed to refresh the car's entire rear look. Here's the real problem: aging or damaged factory taillights can make an otherwise clean Camry look dated. Finding a replacement that combines style and practical lighting can also be frustrating. This assembly offers a compelling alternative to a standard OEM-style replacement. It's worth considering for Camry owners who want a dramatic visual upgrade without changing the car itself. Compared with conventional Toyota Camry tail light assemblies, the Lambert-style design stands out much more. The downside? The aggressive styling won't suit everyone, and compatibility should be verified before ordering. If your Camry deserves a fresh identity, these lights make the rear view impossible to ignore. A tired-looking rear end can make a well-kept Camry feel strangely unfinished. That's where the motion LED tail lights enter the picture. Designed for the Toyota Camry 2018 to 2022, this V4 smoked assembly with trunk pieces brings a dramatic visual upgrade without abandoning the car's original character. The animated DRL adds a modern signature, while sequential turn signals create a flowing effect that's especially noticeable at night. Here's the practical advantage: replacing faded, damaged, or outdated rear lamps can refresh the entire appearance while improving visibility. These tail lights for Toyota Camry Tail Light Assembly 2018 to 2023 8th Gen are particularly appealing to owners chasing a more contemporary look. Compared with standard OEM-style replacement lights, Motion delivers a much more aggressive smoked appearance and additional lighting effects. The trade-off? Installation may require more patience, and smoked lenses aren't everyone's taste. They're ideal for Camry owners wanting style, modern lighting, and a distinctive rear profile. Sometimes, one lighting upgrade is enough to make your Camry feel reborn after dark.